Hey guys, what's going on? It's Doombreaker again and I'm here with another tutorial for you guys. So today is part 7, I think, of the Visual Basics, the Basics series. So today, as promised, we are going to do the select case statement. So I went ahead and I made a new project. And to do this, we are going to insert a button. Like so. And we are also going to, let's see, insert a text box. So the select case statement is pretty similar to the if statement, but it can be easier in some situations. So let's call this check. And now we can jump into coding. So double click the button, because we are going to need this button click event. But before we do that, we are going to declare a variable. So declare name as a string. So now it says this error. If you see this error, you don't really need to pay attention to it, but you can call it something else. So let's call it name. You know what? Let's call it username. Username. Like so. Just to be safe. So let's type in select case. And now we need a variable. So I'm going to type username. Then when we type enter, it's automatically going to put end select here, which is the same as end if for an if statement. Be sure to write this down if it doesn't appear automatically. So what we can do now is case John. Just follow what I do. I'm going to, oh my god, I can't type. So I'm going to explain it a little later. Case Sophie, whoops, Sophie, and case Mark, for example. So what this is going to do is it's going to check username, and it's going to do whatever is in here when the username contains John. If it's Sophie, it's going to do all this. If it's Mark, it's going to do all this. So let's say message box. Hello Mark, you suck. Message. Oh, Mark. This is John, of course. So John is the one who sucks. Sophie is what can we say about Sophie? Hello Sophie, you look great today. And Mark, message box. Hello Mark, you are, I don't know, handsome. Doesn't really matter. So so what it's going to do is it's going to check username. If it contains John, it's going to display the message box, hello John, you suck. In case it's Sophie, it's going to do this and this. But for testing purposes, what we are going to do is we are going to say username is equal to text box 1 dot text. So this is just so we don't need to type is equal to John, for example, and stuff. So we can do all this in the debugger itself. Be sure to put this before the select case statement, otherwise it's not going to do anything. So let's debug it. Wait for it. Alright, so when we type in John, hello John, you suck. Alright, let's type in Mark. Hello Mark, you are handsome. Let's now type in Sophie. Hello Sophie, you look great today. So when we type something else like Doombreaker, it's not going to do anything since we haven't selected a case saying Doombreaker here. So that's kind of the select case statement. This can be good for if you are working with only one variable, so you don't have to type, for example, if username equals blah, then else if username. So you don't have to type this, and it's a lot shorter. So the select case statement is something that you can use, although I prefer the if statement a lot more. But this was the select case statement. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button below. It helps me out a lot. If you like my stuff, if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. If you want to see what I'm doing, you can also go to my Twitter page. The link is down below. You can also check my Facebook page and see a lot of stuff there. And is there anything else I have to say? Not really. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you guys next time. Bye.